that's not good. Explains the request for the new basket.
What's going on, everybody? Thanks for clicking on the clip. Thanks for clicking on the channel. We got a Hinson basket swap for a Banshee. This is a basic how-to, the easiest way to swap these baskets out. You pull the old basket out, you grind the rivets off of the back. That way you can get the gear off of it. Take a screwdriver, pop that metal plate off because you're gonna not need it. Let everything go away, take the gear, put it on a new basket. Turn around, put the rubber dampeners in the hole. Yes, you've got to finagle with them a little bit, and yes, they do seem to have a top and bottom. Once you get the dampeners in the hole, you take the new ring that came with the new basket, put it on, put the screws in. As you can see, the rubber bumpers do take a little bit of finesse and finagling, but it does go on there. Turn around, screw these little Allen screws in, tighten them down. New ring gears on the new basket, or old ring gears on the new basket. Put the basket back on the quad, bike, whatever you're doing. Make sure you put the cover on the right way. Turn around and put all the springs in. Now I like doing the screws by hand, that way I can feel how tight they are. Set the clutch cap with the little screw. This is a Yamaha, you're allowed to do that. Honda I don't think can. And enjoy the ride video with the new basket. Thank y'all for watching all the way through. Enjoy the rest of these couple of laps, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll put a couple of videos up here if you want to click on them. They might be interesting to you. If not, check out the rest of the channel. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.